I'm going to give you 5 key points to help understand what is happening with quantum computers and what will happen with quantum computers and why. There's an $850 billion prize per year of an industry, so 20 times larger than the supercomputer market and close to the size, getting close to the size of cloud computing. So currently this slide is critical. It shows you that currently it takes 1 in 10,000 chance of success to get answers of 14, 15, 20 qubit system. You can see that the ideal system, if you knew the answer, would look like the left side, and you're getting nothing out of the right. But with FireOpal from Q-Control, you can weed out the errors from the hardware system, and you can run the system again and get convergence and get a answer that does look like so you're going from getting an answer 1 in 10,000 times, not getting an answer at all, to getting answers that look pretty close to what the real answer should be, and you can get that between 1 and 10% of the time. So we're heading towards the goal of this $850 million industry. That probably doesn't happen until the 2030s, so about 10 years away. But can we get to getting billion-dollar answers occasionally and getting a $1 to $5 billion industry? I think yes. And the developers are getting to the point where they need to get to those larger 50 qubit systems, and we're going to get into the regime of you will work in the 15 to 35, maybe to the 50 qubit level. Certain systems that go beyond that, with analog annealing systems, we already have those with D-Wave, but get new versions of that with photonics and other systems. So the software error suppression, error mitigation is starting to work and give reasonable results. So we'll be in the phase where we're really getting good answers. But you're basically at the learning phase of separating what is impossible from what's possible from what's nearly challenging. You have to be able to learn what's the right questions to ask, how to ask those questions, and how to do the work. So getting the people skills up and the process skills up and the understanding of the problems up is an area that we need to research out now before you can actually have, fully utilize the systems that are coming. And systems are coming. Breakthroughs seem possible with photonic systems and with the various neutral atom and other systems. The different scientific approaches could yield results. But even from the more traditional methods with IBM quantum computing, leveraging Q-Control and other software advances, we are getting there. So we're getting to a very exciting and useful phase where we're getting useful work out of these systems, perhaps not beyond classical systems in all cases, but you need to be able to compare and see where can you get beyond. Run the race over and over again to see where can quantum systems beat class. And I said those previous examples show that going from 1 in 10,000 and really having a lot of people work and trying to figure stuff out.
Resupply. So imagine that you have
beyond that phase,
troops, force elements in the battlefield, right? And they need
1% of the time,
to be given water,
and then
ammunition,
even more
whatever
challenging,
they need,
far
right?
beyond
And
where
so
you
what
have
we're
to
looking here is the
fish
optimal way to
1 in
do
10,000, lottery winning kind of thing.
we really have the opportunity here to
really
apply
to get
our solutions to real
But you'll
world
work
problem.
on the smaller systems, 27, 35 qubit, and then try to once you master your algorithm, try it on the big systems. So work on the small systems, but larger than the 10 qubit systems. Now you can probably reasonably work at the medium-sized 25 qubit systems, and then shoot for 1,000 qubit run, so that's the kind of style of work we'll be doing over the next few years, and billion-dollar answers could be coming out of the scaling up towards that nearly $1 trillion market. Please like and subscribe and follow the Next Big Future. I'll be covering more of what I've learned at the Q2B Quantum to Business Conference. Follow the Next Big Future on Patreon. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.